Nice.
What is going on, guys? I'm here at Elias' house. Yo,
Hi.
yo, what up?
What's up?
Okay, so yeah, I'm at his house, and I put the intro to this vlog. I don't even know what it was. It was just randomness.
It was like this.
And we were like dying of laughter from watching Noise. You failed.
He did it first.
I did it first try. Oh, hey, Joe, do the wait. Go get the things. The lights.
Oh.
They're at the piano. Okay, he's gonna do this trick thing, and it's weird, guys, but it's cool at the same time. Also, watch this. If I put this here, and this thing gets to supersonic speeds. It does though. Okay, hold this.
Like, I'll find it.
Boy.
It's probably like gone. Huh? It's probably gone. Wait, it turned off. Oh.
Let's see this thing now. Let's see how long this spins for.
More than 2 minutes.
More than 2 minutes? We don't have time for that.
Yeah. Put it on your mouth. It's gonna hurt. No, I hold that in my hand.
Okay. What? Okay, do the trick.
No, you do it.
No, I don't know how. You do it better.
No, you do it.
Wait, go in over here because the lighting's better. Why? I don't know
Why
how.
not? Please don't.
I have to. It was a cool trick. Yep. Fine, I won't. Call of Duty game. First person shooter.
Shoot. How did this turn on? I filmed this turn on.
Alright, guys. So, trick shot time? That was a fail. Do it right now. Make it off the wall.
I am the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street. Under the sun.
Watch this, guys. First try. Ready? Oh, it actually made it in. No, that wasn't mine. What the heck is on here?
No, this is the next video. Excuse me, like Eduardo, it'll be like copyrighted. What Eduardo said, it'll be copyrighted.
Alright, I'm sorry this
Copyrighted, as Eduardo said.
No.
Oh god.
This is the editing so far. Noise. Why though? It's all the fan, bro.
What?
Turn off the fan, then we make it every single. Oh god. They hit me in the back. I said turn off the fan, not the light. Now there's terrible lighting in here.
Oh my.
Elias. It's all zoomed in on your face right now. It was zoomed in. Alright. Ready?
I am the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street. Under the sun.
Oh no.
The drone is charged? Alright. Hey guys, so we're back at my house now. This is gonna be the end of the vlog. Sorry. This is gonna be the end of the vlog. Like and subscribe. Hit that little bell. Remember, always plug. Peace out.